It's the fake pilot scam, and 14 days after exposing the rot and the blatant lies in this scam, Times Now has finally tracked down Garima Passi's father, R.S. Passi, whose name now stands for nepotism in the DGCA.
After exposing Garima Passi's dubious record, Times Now confronts Passi's father, a top DGCA official.
पसी सर, टाइम्स नाउ।
हाँ बोलिए।
बात करना था सर।
किस लिए?
सर आपकी बेटी के बारे में।
आपने कुछ छोड़ा है?
सर आपकी बेटी के बारे में बात करना था सर।
नहीं फोटो छोड़ यार तू।
सर आपकी बेटी के बारे में बात करना
नहीं हाँ क्या चाहते हैं आप मेरे?
सर इतना सारा रिकॉर्ड्स है, फिर भी आप डीजी साहब के पास जाके बोलते हैं कि शी वाज सैक्ड ड्यू टू डाउनटर्न इन एविएशन।
I have given whatever I wanted to my boss. He is my boss.
Exactly.
ठीक है कि नहीं?
But you owe to the people who fly with on the aircraft on that, sir.
There was nothing wrong. There was nothing wrong with anything.
She had any incidents at Sabina?
Let me, if you want to give that, you give this.
Okay.
She had a propeller strike incident when she was having dual training of 4 hours.
Okay.
Okay. 4 hours पे instructor is always on board. ठीक है?
Okay.
Then during learning phase, if instructor is on board and it happens, whose fault it is? Tell me. You tell me, sir.
But she came back and she was removed from the
Listen,
cadet.
I will go further. Let us go step wise.
Okay.
It happened?
Okay.
Then what will happen? If you are the person, you will be little cautious.
Okay.
Your progress will be little slow.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
That only happens. Probably with this thing, she was in that atmosphere, could not adjust herself. Progress was slow. Client was said, we can't continue. I said, okay. She came back.
So how could she continue here? What happened? It was
What
only
is the problem, boss? Suppose at one place I am not able to because of the environment, and the other place, at other place I can't. Have you checked anything else?
So she completed 50 hours over at Sabina.
Yes.
And she did her rest of 150 hours over here.
Yes.
How could those 150 hours at Sabina be counted? Because her atmosphere was not right. She was not really focused.
What 150 hours?
150 hours in Amber.
Yes.
50 hours in
Yes.
Sabina.
Yes.
But 50 hours in Sabina, her mental focus was not right.
No. There is nothing wrong. I have given everything.
But then she came back to SpiceJet. She was removed from the cadet program.
Never.
She was removed. I have evidence, sir. आप मुझे झूठ बोलेंगे? Times Now has evidence of it.
You may be having. I have also got evidence that due to slum, they have given it this thing.
All the other candidates who were made pilots, only 3 people were removed, including your daughter.
It is not that way.
Yeah, I have the records, sir. Are you going to deny all those records?
Her flying was okay. Stopped at
So
that
after
place.
being removed from the cadet program, next 1 year, she was hired again. And you are handling all the cabin crew, safety, everything of SpiceJet.
Boss, if you
Is it not there any conflict of interest between your job and what your daughter is doing with the same airline?
It was never. Then they should not have stopped her flight. It is never.
They stopped her flying and they sacked her. And the next year, again she was hired.
Boss, it is not that way. It was everything in continuation. Nothing. I don't know why you are making all this. Thanks.
We are
I have
making-
given you enough time. Thanks.
We are making something because there's something wrong, sir. So clearly, Garima Passi's father, R.S. Passi, is refusing to talk to us. In fact, he said that we have given you enough time. And he says that his daughter rather, was sacked because of the downturn in aviation and not because of her records. In Delhi, with Sachin, Kashif Khusro for Times Now.